Hey friend, it is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the SheMakes Club. And April is all about home and things around our home and things that matter in our life and our home. And I had a really awesome live creative workshop for April with the SheMakes Club members. And I just kind of want to continue on with some of the theme into my Tuesday tutorials and everything at ByMeganElizabeth.com with the Eat, Play, Love kit, and just invite you into SheMakes Club. As an exclusive member, there's exclusive tutorials, the live creative workshops, exclusive cut files, hours and hours of additional content that you won't find anywhere else, and I would love to have you be a part of it. We do a download sheet, a couple actually every month, and just some journal prompts on different things to really tell the story of your life and of your home. And I have a daily photo inspiration for the entire month of April that I'm working on putting together. I've been really bad at posting them, but I'm going through them and getting them together, even if I do them in a burst. It's really been helpful. So one of the kits that we're using is the Eat, Play, Love kit from Close to My Heart. You can check it out at ByMeganElizabeth.com/shop and learn more about a whole bunch of different things that I've been talking about all month long, including last week's Tuesday tutorial where I did the layout of my Nana's kitchen with her mom, my great-grandmother, and then recipes. And now this week, I want to tell more of Nate's family history and something that we use in our home every single day, and that's our coffee station. This is a wood stove that was his grandmother's. They actually used to make Thanksgiving meals in this up at their cabin up near State College, and it left the family for a while, and Nate was able to track it down and get it back, and now it's the coffee station in our home. And we made a little like cover for it because we didn't want to like spill coffee or anything on it. I actually did a tutorial on that not that long ago. And then this is something that Nate and I enjoy so much, is sitting outside on our little deck by the field, looking out in the field and doing our Tuesday tutorial, our daily threes, and talking about our goals and the things that we want to accomplish and get done. This is a Tuesday tutorial. Anyway, we do talk about our daily threes a lot and enjoy our coffee out there together and feed our chickens and all kinds of stuff. So this was a page that I really just wanted to create and tell the story to. So I'm using the paper from the Eat, Play, Love scrapbook kit. I'm just gonna kind of move some stuff around and kind of figure out exactly how and where I want things. I know this is going to be my journaling strip. I just want to cut this off. I love this about Close to My Heart. They do like the colors that coordinate, all the featured colors that go with the paper, how many sheets are in this, the item number, etc. But then on the reverse side is a decorative strip, like a zip strip that you can use throughout your making. Now this particular page, this is from the card making kit, not the scrapbooking kit, just so that's clear. I believe. I don't think I'm wrong on that. I could be wrong on that. Oh, maybe I messed that up. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say that. This one is for sure. Yes, this one is from the card making kit. So you can see here, this beautiful pattern, the reverse is this in the card making kit. In the scrapbook kit, however, it's this beautiful cherry and the yellow's on the back of that. So it's different from the scrapbooking kit to the card making kit. Just so you have that as a reference, just in case, didn't want to confuse anyone. All right, I have this little strip on the sticker sheet. I'm going to put down the white of this piece. This is about 4 inches across, 12 inches long. It's going to be my journaling piece, and that's going to go right here. We're just going to kind of decorate this out. I want to add some photo matting. I think I'm going to use the color, let's see. I've gone back and forth whether I want to use fern. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use the... You know what I could do? How would this look? This might be really pretty to add this. A little bit more of a pattern to break up the pattern. What do we feel about that? I'm kind of all in. All right, let's do that. I'm going to cut this to a 4¼ inch. Ooh, I did that wrong. I shouldn't have done it that way. Ooh, oh well. All right, we're gonna cut off a 1/4 inch from the pictures because they're 4x6 pictures. So how can we do this? Let's just cut off a smidgen on the top. I can't believe I did that. Yet I can, because I don't really need all this extra space on here. So we can just take off a 1/4 inch on both pictures and we should be okay. Do I need more? No, that'll work just fine. Ooh, and that mattes well. Okay, I like this. I just want some color separation, deviation from the true background pattern paper. That's what I'm going for with this. And then I'm just going to tell the story on this strip about, again, the stove and our coffee time. And go this way with it. I'm not entirely sure all the elements I'm going to use yet. I'll be really honest with you. I kind of am just feeling this one out as I go. I had some things in mind. I love the cherries. There's a cherry sticker that I want to use on this page, and then I'm also like, ooh, but I really love this cherry and want to use it like on a card or something. Let me show it to you. This cherry here, I love it. I'm definitely using this guy. I'm a big one for the containers with flowers or things in it. So we're gonna put this guy right here. And I actually want to put a little bit of a ribbon in there if I have. Ooh, you know what I'll put in there? Actually, I'm not gonna put ribbon. I'm gonna put some twine. And I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. I'm just gonna cut off a piece. This is white twine. Loop it through. This is a sticker, so it's already really sticky. So to get this separated and on here, doesn't have to be messed with too much. Just something like it's an actual tag. And I'm gonna let the frayed edges come on down like that. All right. And I want to add in some dimensional elements. Okay, so I'm gonna stay away from the cherries on this one. As much as I actually really want to use them, I'm gonna just stick to the flowers. So I'm gonna get my dimensional adhesive for this, and I see new Erin Condren that just came. Yay! Can't wait to unbox that. Funny story is I didn't know this because I wasn't here when it was brought in, but Nate has told the story a couple times that when Nate did track it down and get it back in here and he carried it in and Grandmom came over and saw it, she cried and she's like, I hated that thing. So it's kind of funny. We have something Grandmom actually hates, but it actually still means a lot. So, you know, sometimes the family history story is a little different than the story you tell yourself as to how cool it is or isn't. All right, so I'm gonna just put this little guy. This is a tag, so it could get little twine in each side too, but I'm gonna let that be for now. Yeah, it just makes me laugh. When he told me that, I was like, yeah, that sounds about right. Sounds like Grandmom wouldn't, you know, be excited about getting it back in the family. Totally fine. Totally fine. All right, let's grab, I don't know, I just feel like these elements like belong on here so much. Let's use this cherry pie sticker because it's just cute. It feels like it should, since there's the cherries in the background and I'm not using the cherry that I want to use. I can't help it. All right. And I don't know that I really want to add much more. I think I'm going to add a couple of these really cute, these are sequin flowers, but again, my tip with these, if you didn't catch my other Tuesday tutorial, is to place the sheet down and to kind of slide them off, because if you peel them, the adhesive sticks more to the sheet than it does to the flower. So I'd be careful using them on cards and some other things. Could just be my set, but I think it's just the material itself. It can really separate easily. So just be aware. It's not a big deal. It's not. Just like I said, be aware of it. And you can just, oh, you know what? These are on here. These are part of the kit. It says Together Forever. I already used the love, but this, and I'll use these flowers too. Let me grab these flowers. I'm gonna punch out this part. I'll show you how this works here in a second. So I already put these together. Inside SheMakes Club, I showed these beautiful, beautiful die cuts. And they actually come, you know, you just punch them out like I just showed you, but you can layer and layer and layer them up. And they create these beautiful 3D embellishments for your pages. So what I'm gonna do here is punch the interiors out. And I'm going to use dimensional in the center and put these on here. I believe these go together. And then I'm going to use this Together Forever, which I think is funny. You know, it's back. And let's see how I want this to go. So one in the center of this guy. And then I just need to figure out which way this lines up. It shouldn't be too hard. Not that way. Not quite that way. Let's see. Oh, here. This 3 goes with this 3. Okay, so see that dimension? Be really cute on a card too. Like really cute on a card. But you don't have to layer them up. You can use them individually, as you can tell, which again, just makes the kit go that much further. So if you decide not to layer them up like this, you still have other options. So this has all just been a huge part of my getting caught up on scrapbooking and the journey. I've been doing videos on that inside SheMakes Club, also just kind of just showing the process of sorting through 30 years of photos and how I'm putting some in pocket pages and how I'm doing 12 by 12 pages and 6 by 8 pages. And I'm kind of mix matching all these things together to really, you know, really tell our story and get these photos documented and these memories and these pieces of our lives. This is the mint color shimmer brush, and I'm gonna add some mint shimmer on top of these blue floral pieces. You know, what everybody else has. You can add your own color and touch to it. So fun. Let's grab lemonade. Lemonade's the other color, another color, not the other color. There's quite a few colors. And since I did it on all of the others, let's do, this is Flamingo. Oh, I didn't even open this one yet. This is Flamingo. It's my newest color. So it comes with this little yellow collar on it, and you just literally take that yellow collar off, you twist it on, pull off the cap, make sure this is on tight. This is how the brush comes. It's kind of hard and everything. So what you need to do is squeeze it to get it started. So I'm going to squeeze it on a scrap piece of paper. You'll see the color start to come out. It'll drip out even, and then you just kind of want to get it started. So I'm going to come on the rose over here, and I'm just filling in the darker part of the rose with some of the shimmer. Same thing over here. I don't want too much to pop out. Ooh, let's do the cherry. Cute, 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 cute. All right, that's about it for this Tuesday tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Come on over, check out SheMakes Club. I think you'll love it. We have exclusive Cricut cut files, a lot of Cricut education, really fun exclusive tutorials, as well as our live creative workshop that we do. And then I always love to send out little gifts and fun surprises to members from time to time also. So just would love to have you be a part of it. I'll see you soon. Enjoy the moments. Bye-bye.